Hello. So this application will allow you to see the customer's sales history, so that how many products they have bought from you, what is their history of the product's sales. So first of all, we need to first go to sales and we will create a new quotation. Let's say I am creating a quotation under Gemini Furniture. I will add a few products here. Confirm this. Now, once I've added this product, I will save this. You see you have 38 history of this particular customer's orders from you. If I confirm this, now we have 39 because you just confirmed this particular sales order. So let's go to history and see how it looks. So here you can see all the products. If I open up the products, you can see how many times this particular customer has ordered this particular products from you. You can see all the products details like salesperson, description, the price, discount if it was given, the subtotal, what is the order status, and every detail of that particular sales order of that particular product from that particular customer. Now you can also see the same details under the contact form of the customer. So if I go to Gemini Furniture, and here you can see the 39 view history of the sales that they have made with you. So you can see the product sales here as well. So this application is just here to give you a sales history of your customers, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Until then, do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.